This is, yeah, this one remote. It is basically Fortnite. But the people are almost sweatier. Edit that. You know what? There we go. That's better. Why, kid? How is he that much of a bot? He tried to no-scope me. Dang it, that was so close. Oh dang it, he edited that whole thing away. You know what? I'm gonna cone him. I'm gonna cone him as soon as he edits one. JK, I'm gonna cone him right now. I coned him. No! Oh! He so caught me off guard there. He so caught me off guard there. That was sad. He was such a bot. What in the... Sorry. I'm not used to playing Fortnite on keyboard and mouse, and this has the same exact controls. That was a nice shot. Boop, boop. Oh. You know, I'm actually not a bad player. If you look at my stats, I started a week ago. I have 50 wins and a win rate of 66%, so... And we get that out and we put... Yeah, we act like a bot in this match. And we're gonna pickaxe him once, just to let him know we're a little toxic boy. Yeah, there was a hacker in my lobby earlier, and then I got off for a while because... What are you shooting at, boy? My bloom, look at that bloom. Oh, now he doesn't know where I am. It's like, what? Where'd that kid go? Guess what? I ain't no bot. I'm a crank bot. I'm a crank bot, boy. What you doing, boy? No, only one person gets to no scope. I know I was gonna quick scope him, but don't be mean to me because I want to hit a quick scope. Come here, let me shoot you, boy! You know what? Now that I'm this far away from him... Dang! That was No Name? Oh, dang it. I beat him in a competitive match. I beat No Name in a competitive match. Edgard, apparently. Freaking top right corner it says. Getting better at cranking every day. Oh, crap. No, I'm not. I take that back. Then we fall on him. Doesn't know that we're right here, and we can just come in with that. Then we can get a good old shotgun in there. Just stop moving for 1 second, you little bot. That bot would not stop moving. Ow, I stubbed my toe. I stubbed my toe. Then we place it, and we still get stuck in the friggin' ceiling. What ping you want, bro? Oh, look in the kill feed. Can we get a little rewind on that, please? I don't think That was insane. You're insane, Jarvis. Me over here. How do I... I'm a bot, and in this game, you have to bring out your gun to get out of your builds. It doesn't, like, do that for you. What? Boy! You can do double pump in this? You can do double pump. The fire rate with the shotgun is faster. The fire rate with the shotgun is faster, but it's on 1. So 1 sec, boy. Let me just get my shotgun on 1. Get our shotgun back out. Get our pickaxe out. Come here, bro. You know what? JK. I'm gonna no-scope him. There we go. And that's the win. That's the win, boys. We're on a 3-win streak here. Every time I get on a 5-win streak, I play a match of competitive because I get to feel really good about myself, and then How did you get out of there, boy? There's only one person on that map in this game that gets to do that, and that's me. Alright, so I admit I missed a few shots there in the beginning. But at the end, that Scar was, like, lined up with his body. That Scar was addicted to him. This looks like a Fortnite-y player. I say that because it looks like he plays Fortnite quite a bit. What was that? That was... I missed like every shot there. That was a quick scope 4-win streak. I don't want to do competitive. Please don't make me do competitive. Then we place it in. Oh, this, no, we're not winning this. Oh, we hit that? We hit that? We might be playing some competitive. Oh, but we're not gonna be. What is my aim? Alright, well, 1 second. I'm just gonna go fast forward into a different match. I know you think I'm a bot, and I know that I am a bot. But guess what? I bet there isn't a bot with edits as cracked as me. Probably is, but there also probably isn't. And yes, that is me. I just suck at editing. I edited the wrong build. That's how cracked and bad I am at the same time that I edited the wrong build. Does this get out of here, boy? We got a nice little quick scope lined up. No, we can't. We can hit a no scope though. See? Dang it, it wasn't headshot. Just line that up. I don't know, I was gonna do a trick shot, and now I feel like I'm gonna crank. And I can only crank 190, right? Because I end up building freaking stairs the whole time. I'm gonna delete my stair keybind right now. There we go. We can no longer build a stair. And we also can no longer... Yeah, we can no longer build well or crank well, but we have good aim. I know you're gonna say no scoping is easy in this game, and I'm not disagreeing, but like... Yeah. I don't want to disagree. I just want to stay here and do that all day long. Flick shot. I don't do trick shots. I do flick shots. Oh, by the way, in this game, OG Fortnite players might remember doing this. The range with the pump shotgun. Line up the headshot and you're just fine. Alright, well, oh, I can build stairs. This has been a very great, video. And see you next time.